Welcome to the question number 2 of Power BI certification series, where, as you know, I am taking the question on 20th December 2024. And as I am going through some of the topics, I am creating questions so that you can also practice along with me if you are doing or if you are taking an attempt on this exam. All right, so what do I have is a question related to connecting data. And in the first question also, the question was related to connecting the data. And I'm showing you a same example around direct query, but with a different twist, so that you get a flavor as to from the same type of a topic, how a different question can become, because many times they are tricky question and not a straightforward one. And then I will show you how you can get this workbook as well as I have the fully baked question paper of 60 questions, which is very difficult as per my practice and understanding. And I have seen that validated with some of those who have taken the exam, that such type of questions are basically being asked into the exam. So what do I have for this is the question. So let me show you which of the following is a limitation of using direct query in Power BI. So the question number 1 is limited data visualization option, inability to use DAX function, dependency on performance of underlying data source, and finally no support for real-time data. So what according to you is the right answer? Write down in the comments and let me know what do you think, right? And answer with the explanation I have given as part of this workbook or this presentation file. And how you can get that, let me show you. So the link that I have given for this presentation file where questions, answer and explanation is present is in the description first. It will take you to my Google group where you need to join the Google group. Then the link will come which will land you over here in the dataset folder. Within this you have the dataset sheet in which I have the PL-300 questions prepared, and as you can see I have many other different links present, as in when I find or create a video on, I just go ahead and put the links over there so that you can find all the links at one single place. So with that you can get an answer. Also you can take an attempt of my paid question exam, which takes you through the journey of 60 very difficult questions and helps you prepare for the exam.